you have in front of you, it's kind of like a worksheet. You're right, Matthew. It's on harder paper, and it has holes in it. I'm going to tell you why. You're going to start with the red side. Can everybody find on the upper right-hand corner, use your hands on your desk to find your right hand. On the upper right-hand corner of your paper is a red dot. Make sure that you're on the red dot and not the blue dot. The blue dot is the other side. We don't want the blue dot yet. We're not ready for that. I'm going to tell you why in just a minute.
Yeah.
Now, the first thing you need to do when you do this worksheet, you're going to be doing this all on your own because I know that you can.
I can't.
You're going to take,
I can't.
what do you say?
No.
Say it again. I can with practice. This is the tall side of the paper because it is standing up tall. Okay? This is the fat side of our paper. We're not doing that because then the numbers are going to be upside down.
So?
We want the tall side up and laying down in front of us.
Okay.
So everybody have the tall side laying flat on their desk?
Yes.
And all you can see is white squares?
Yeah.
Okay. My numbers are different than your numbers. And guess what, Chase? Your numbers are different than Alex's. And Alex's, yours are different than Benjamin's. And Amanda, yours are different than Dante's. Everybody in the class has a different worksheet.
3, 2.
Maybe one problem, but not all of them.
I 3, 2, 2.
Okay? So it's not going to help to look at your neighbor. They're not going to be able to help you. They have a different worksheet than you do. Okay? We do not write on the yellow colored paper. We don't write on that. Okay? We only write on our white paper, so we need to write in the white squares. Now watch, I'm going to take a green pen and I'm going to outline where those white squares are. This is my white square right here. Okay? And here's my second white square. Here's my third white square. All kinds of squares. You have 20 squares all over your paper. Okay? That's where you're going to write your answers. So, I need some help. I have 3 plus 5. Can someone raise their hand to tell me what the answer to 3 plus 5 is? Amanda?
3 plus 5.
Touch the largest number. 5.
9.
5. Oh, you're so close. Yes, very good, Amanda. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to write my number on my white square, which is really my paper, my white paper. And I'm not going to touch anything else. I'm going to go to my next question. 2 plus 4, Adam. 6, very good. I'm going to write it on the white square. Let's go to the next. Turn my worksheet over. I'm just going to pick the yellow part up, and I'm going to turn it over. Instead of having a red dot at the top, I have a blue dot at the top. And I'm going to put it over my white piece of paper. And I make sure that the numbers go in the boxes. Okay, you have to make sure that your numbers are in the boxes. You don't want your numbers way over here. They're not going to match up. They're not going to match up. That's a little bit confusing. So you need to make sure that your numbers, the numbers you wrote with your handwriting and your pencil, fit inside of the box. Just like that.
Oh, that's fun.
Isn't that fun?
No.
Now I'm going to check my answers and see if I did them correctly. Because it's okay if I made a mistake. I'm just practicing right now, okay? Let's check Mrs. Tong and see if she's right. Okay, help me out. 3 plus 5 equals 8. The answer is written for me in black.
Aww.
Does my pencil answer the same?
Yes.
Did I get it right?
Yes.
Yes, I did. So I don't do anything. I got that one right. Let's go to the next one. Let's pretend, just for a second, okay? 1 plus 8 equals, we look at the black number, 7. What did Mrs. Tom write?
8.
Uh-oh. I had a little trouble with that one. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put an X over it with my pencil in the white box. And I'm going to see if I can figure out the right answer. I'm going to go back and add it again. okay? But I put an X over it so that I don't mess up again, so I know that that's not the right answer, and now I'm going to find the right answer, okay? And it's okay if you mess up. We're just practicing right now.